Question C consists of 4 sections, namely C1, C2, C3, and C4. Let's proceed directly to the first question, which is to complete the need column for each process. We have been given information in the question as follows. Firstly, resource A has 11 instances, resource B has 8 instances, and resource C has 6 instances. Then in table 1, we have the allocation and maximum resource values for each process in relation to each resource, and the available resource instances for I, B, and C. Available resource I, B, and C are actually extracted from here and here. A simple example, for resource A, the available instances are 3. It's easy to get number of available resource A. We know that there are 11 instances of resource A. So to find the available instances of resource A, 11 minus 2 minus 3 minus 2 minus 1. These numbers represent the allocation of resource A for each process. So 2 plus 3 plus 2 plus 1 equals 8. 11 minus 8, we get 3. Similarly, for resource B, 8 minus 0 minus 1 minus 1 minus 3, which results in 3. For resource C, which has 6 instances, we subtract 0, 2, 1, and 1, yielding a result of 2. Okay, do you understand? Next, we want to add another column here on the right side of the table, which you need to put it here, the need column. Meanwhile, in your exam, you must complete the table in your answer by adding the need column. However, for this video, I will only draw the need column. The formula to find the need for a resource is very simple. Need equals max minus allocation. So let's look at this example for process P0 resource A. The maximum value used is 4. Allocation is 2, so 4 minus 2 equals 2. For resource B, the maximum is 2 and the allocation is 0. So 2 minus 0 equals 2. For resource C, the maximum is 1 and the allocation is 0. So 1 minus 0 equals 1.
Process P1, the allocation for resource A is 3. The max resource is 5, so 5 minus 3 equals 2. For resource B, the max is 3 and the allocation is 1, so 3 minus 1 equals 2. For resource C, the maximum value is 5 and the allocation value is 2, so 5 minus 2 equals 3. Let's move on to process P2. The max for resource A is 2 and its allocation is 2, so 2 minus 2 equals 0. For resource B, the max is 3 and the allocation is 1, so 3 minus 1 equals 2. And for resource C, the max is 2 and the allocation is 1, so 2 minus 1 equals 1. For process P3 for resource A, the max is 1, the allocation is 1, so 1 minus 1 equals 0. For resource B, the max is 4, the allocation is 3, so 4 minus 3 equals 1.
And for resource C, the max is 5, the allocation is 1, so 5 minus 1 equals 4. Okay, that's it. Remember, the need is calculated as maximum minus allocation.